Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today we will solve the new questions. That is check whether or not the number is a strong numbers in Java. So what is a strong numbers? So basically strong number is let's suppose here we have a 145 and our question is that a strong numbers. So how to check that it is a strong numbers or not? At theoretically, 145 means you have to take the factorial of 1, then factorial of 4, and then factorial of 5. That equal to the our actual number. That is a 145. Now it should be it equal to the this number is called it as a strong number. So let's suppose 1, what is the factorial of 1 is 1. What is the factorial of 4 is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 equal to how much? 1 into 2 and 2, 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24 is a factorial of 4. Then what is the factorial of 5? So let me take 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 equal to 120 is a factorial of 5. Then this 120, 24 and 1. 1 is there now. To sum of these numbers and see 1 plus 24 plus 120 equal to 145. It means our number which is have a 145 original number original number and this is the temporary number is equal to, it means it is a strong numbers. How to implement this in our program? This is the might be a little bit of headache. So let's implement. So first of all, need a one method which takes the factorial. Okay. So public method is a static method. Return type is int type, and now the method is a factorial and accept only one values, that is a number n. So first of all, it will be start from the factorial is equal to 1 to multiply until the our number is not getting reach the our numbers, like let's suppose here a 4, it will be factorial, printing the factorial until the 4. 5, it will be printing the factorial of 5. How it implement? First of all, we take 1, start from the 1, then for loop int I is equal to 1, starting from the 1, I should less than equal to n, and I plus plus. After this, we need just factorial. Into is equal to is assignment operator I. It will be printing the factorial of our numbers. It's a simple thing to printing the factorial. Okay. And that should be returned uh, factorial. Will be returned the factorial. This is the our method which is calculating the our factorial. But let me click step 1, calculating factorial of n. But our number is 145. But I have to check our number is one by one. See here, as you can see here, the 4, factorial of 4, then factorial of 5, then factorial of 1. To getting that, If you remember that previous program where we getting the where we discussed that find the factorial of n, how it implemented here, then it's easy for you. So just you need a one more method to check the number is strong. Then take one variables. Sorry, first of all, need a one more method public static. A type of method is a Boolean type is strong. Our number is strong or not. Good checking by this method. Strong int number or okay number. So we need a variables that is stored the our character objectives original uh, our current address not the object difference original is equal to number. So why we are storing inside of original to not getting affect my original values for that reason we store inside of original and perform the our operation. Need one more variables to sum of your number sum is equal to 0. Need a one while loop while number is greater than 0. What you need to do, need a one variables int digit. If you remember that how to calculating the digit, then you easily understand what I'm doing here. Digit is equal to number percentile 10 to removing the to getting the every last digit of your numbers. Here we have a 145 now. That first of all we take the 5. Then next iteration it will take 4. Then next iteration it will take 1. So this is the way of this digit working. And sum plus equal to factorial of digit. So it will be first of all the thing is it will taking the one digit that the number is 145. Okay, 145 is our number. Okay, and the it will be getting inside the original as well. When we are storing inside a digit now, that will be storing the one last variables in every single time. Let's suppose if you have a sorry, if you have a 145, it will first iteration will take 5, second iteration will take 4, third iteration will take 1, and what after taking the 5, it will be going inside the sum plus equal to and the factorial of digit. If it's a 5, what is the factorial of 5? So this call the our main method is called the, as you can see here the factorial is calling by itself. It will be going to here in the factorial method and give you the factorial of the numbers. Second iteration it will go to the 4 and 4 will be printed. How to get in the next iteration should be a 4. For that need a one more thing that is a number divide equal to 10 to removing the last value of the every iterations. You need the numbers divided by 10. So the our program is almost done now. Return. Now we have to return uh, sum is equal to original. So this just creating our main method and the main method. So take int n is equal to 145, and after this, if is strong is a our method is, and then print sys out, and plus is a strong number. What if not? Then else is out, and plus is not a strong number. Let me run this program and see what is the output we will get. See, 145 is a strong number. Let me take another one. Let's take the 14. Run this program. See, 14 is not a strong number. Why? So just here, 1 factorial of 1 is 1 only. Okay. What is the factorial of 4 is 24. 24 plus 1. How much I will get? 25 equal to 25. And this 25 is not equal to our actual number is 14. That is why we will get this a strong number. This is not a strong number. I hope you will understand these videos. If you like this video, just subscribe my channel and do comments and like. That's all about this video. Thank you for watching Tech and Unbox with Anas.